Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm a Christmas tree. Join me as I show you how I made this Christmas tree shirt, ugly sweater, using Dollar Tree, Walmart, and other types of products. I picked up this t-shirt, this green t-shirt at Walmart. It is a long sleeve t-shirt. It was $5. My Dollar Tree was out of garland. I got this at Walmart for 98 cents. I'm also going to be using some pom-pom balls that I've collected over the years, but you can get those at any dollar store. And then I have these lights that I got from Dollar Tree last year. First thing I'm going to do is put my shirt, put a mat inside of my shirt to protect the back side. I'm going to start at the bottom of my shirt, and you're going to need to stretch the shirt a little bit so that it'll still fit when you're done, because this is stretchy fabric using a t-shirt. Now you could use a sweater if you wanted to, but I'm in Texas and it's always hot. I mean, sometimes it's cold outside, but it's always hot inside. People turn on the heaters way too hot. So I would be much more comfortable, I believe, in a t-shirt. So I'm just spreading the glue along and then setting my garland in place and going all the way around the bottom edge of the shirt. My next layer is going to go right below the armpit. And again, gotta really make sure that I try to stretch this time as I put it on. So I'm only going to do a pretty small section at a time so I can pull and stretch. Pull and stretch and place the garland. Now you want to lay it out and see where the garland would hit on the sleeve. You're going to put garland right there on that sleeve. Next place I'm going to add garland is going to be at the bottom of my sleeves. Looks like I have just enough garland to go around the neck of my shirt. So the next thing is I'm laying out the lights where I want them, and then I'm going to put a little mark of chalk where I want each of the lights to poke through. Now I'm going to take my razor blade and going to just kind of poke a little hole, cut just a tiny hole on each of my chalk marks. I'm going to take the globes off of the lights. I'm missing a couple. Hopefully I can find them. And once all of those are off, I have it purposely designed that this will be able to fit into my pocket. And I'm going to stick my lights through the holes. Once the light is through the hole, put the globe back on so it stays put. Next, I'm going to take my pom-pom balls and attach them on my shirt as ornaments. I'm just going to use a variety of colors and sizes and stick them all over. I added the star by just using a star cut out of some cardstock and a paper clip so that I could take it off if it was bugging me, but you could also glue that on so that you have a star for the top of your tree. Don't forget to put pom-pom ball ornaments all along the back and up and down the sleeves. And when you put the lights on, you want to make sure you have enough room that the battery pack is going to fit in the pocket on your pants. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that you can be a Christmas tree too. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and have a great day crafting away, and Merry Christmas.